about hormones and their other important key points and other name. First, adrenaline. It's known as energy hormone. In case of sympathetic nervous system active, actually when sympathetic nervous system active, that time adrenaline is released. Okay, and our energy is increased. So adrenaline is also known as energy hormone. Serotonin, when you feel good, that time this is feel good hormone. Then endorphin, pain relief hormone. Endorphin, just remember, when you exercise, at the time of exercise, endorphin is release. Exercise, walking, jumping, swimming, all type of exercise release endorphins. Okay, so endorphin is known as pain relief hormone. Next, prolactin. Prolactin, milk producing hormone. Milk producing means P for prolactin, P for producing. So prolactin, milk producing hormone. Insulin, everyone know that insulin release from our pancreas. This control our blood sugar, it regulate our blood sugar. So insulin is known as blood sugar regulator. Next, thyroxine. Thyroxines is metabolism booster. T4 means thyroxines, it release from thyroid gland. Okay, next, hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is an is not hypothalamus is not hormone. Hypothalamus is a gland. Okay, it is the father of actually master of master gland. Pituitary gland is master gland. Hypothalamus master of master gland. This control actually temperature regulate করে. Temperature regulate by hypothalamus. Okay, next, thyroxine. Thyroxine is also hormone. This metabolism booster. Thyroxine is also metabolism booster released from thyroid gland. Okay, next, dopamine. Dopamine, when you are happy, when you happy, that time dopamine release. So cortisol, stress hormone. When a person is in stress, thinking more about some topics, something what happened in his life, that time when actually he is in stress, that time cortisol release. Okay, so cortisol is known as stress hormone. These questions came in RRB exam 2025, shift 2. Okay, next, oxytocin. Oxytocin is also known as love hormone. When you love someone, when love someone means when you love your parents, your wives, your anyone. Okay, it may be it may be any animal, any man, any object, or during kissing and sexual activity, oxytocin also released. So it is known as love hormone. Melatonin. One important point about oxytocin released from posterior pituitary gland. There are mainly anterior and posterior pituitary. Actually, oxytocin released from hypothalamus but store in posterior pituitary. From there it actually release. Store in posterior pituitary. From there it release, but produced from hypothalamus. Okay, and melatonin is sleep hormone. When room is dark, that time melatonin is release increase. That time sleep hormone, it's known as sleep hormone, melatonin. So that time you will sleep. Okay, it is actually released by pineal gland. Melatonin. Ghrelin, hunger hormone. Why ghrelin is known as hunger hormone? When you wants to eat something, that time actually ghrelin send signals, so you feel that. When your stomach is full, that time leptin is fullness hormone. When you eat more, and that time leptin gets a signal. Okay, hcg hormone, this is pregnancy hormone. And anti-diuretic hormone, this is water balance hormone. Okay, adh, anti-diuretic hormone, this also release from and posterior pituitary. It is known as the water balance hormone, anti-diuretic hormone. Thank you.